Introducing the 2018 Ford Ranger 3.2 TDCi Wildtrak Auto 4-wheel drive, a pickup that blends power, capability, and comfort into one rugged package. With just one owner and a clear vehicle history, this truck has been well cared for and is ready for its next adventure. Step inside and you're greeted by a cabin that blends functionality with premium comfort. Heated front seats make cold mornings far more inviting, while the advanced infotainment system keeps you connected with features like SAT-NAV, Apple CarPlay, and Bluetooth. You also find DAB digital radio, AUX MP3 connectivity, and crystal clear sound for your favorite music or podcasts. For those who appreciate practicality, the Ranger includes remote central locking, folding mirrors, and a start-stop engine button for added convenience. Cruise control and power steering make longer journeys relaxed and easy, while rain-sensing wipers ensure optimal visibility no matter the weather. Under the bonnet lies a powerful 3.2-litre diesel engine paired with an automatic transmission and four-wheel drive system, giving you the strength and traction you need for work, towing, or off-road challenges. The Wildtrak trim adds unique styling touches including bold alloy wheels and an unmistakable, muscular stance. Whether you're heading into the city or venturing into the countryside, the Ranger is built to get the job done with style and confidence. This Wildtrak doesn't just focus on performance and comfort, safety is equally important. Reverse camera and parking sensors help you maneuver confidently in tight spaces, while Isofix child seat anchors ensure younger passengers are securely seated. The Ranger's solid build, stability control systems, and advanced safety features make it an ideal choice for both work and family life. Here at Chance Cars Limited, we take pride in delivering only the best to our customers. We've earned the Auto Trader Customer Choice Award for 6 years running, with over 200 glowing reviews from happy drivers. All our vehicles are fully inspected and come with 6 months warranty and Driveaway insurance, giving you peace of mind from day one. We also offer flexible finance options with low interest rates and accept all major payment cards. So, if you're looking for a tough, capable, and feature-packed pickup, the 2018 Ford Ranger Wildtrak is ready for you. Call or WhatsApp us today on 07548722574 or visit chancecars.co.uk to see more of our stock. Chance Cars Limited is a highly rated, family-run dealership in Sutton, London, proudly offering quality used cars with honest service and unbeatable value. With a 4.95 Auto Trader rating and up to 6 months warranty plus RR breakdown cover, we make sure you drive away with confidence. Visit us today and experience car buying the way it should be: simple, transparent, and friendly.